Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get StockX discount codes using the latest 2025 method. So step 1, sign up for the StockX and opt into email offers. Step 2, enable push notifications in the StockX mobile app. Step 3, join StockX loyalty program to earn occasional discount codes. Step 4, follow StockX on social media for flash codes drops during events. Step 5, install browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten because they often find codes at checkout. Step 6, if you are a student, verify your .edu email in their student promo 365 system. Step 7, before checkout, copy-paste your current promo codes found via deal sites. And now, you're likely to save on your next sneaker or streetwear purchase. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.